In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tag in Facebook Marketplace with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're an experienced seller or just getting started, understanding how to optimize your listings with tags can make a significant difference in how your items are discovered and potentially increase your sales. So, let's dive right into it and unlock the potential of your marketplace ads. First, you'll want to start by going to the Facebook homepage. Now, this may seem straightforward, but make sure you're logged into the account you wish to use for marketplace transactions. This is essential as all the actions we'll take from here on out are tied to your profile. Next up, look over to the navigation panel. You'll find an icon labeled Marketplace there. If you're on your phone, it's represented by a little storefront icon. Go ahead and click on that. The marketplace is where all the magic happens. This is where you can view and create listings, search for products, and interact with potential buyers. Now that you're in the marketplace, draw your attention to the left side of the screen. You need to click on Create New Listing. It's typically one of the more prominent buttons, inviting you to add your items for sale. This step essentially starts the process of listing a new item, so make sure you have all your item details ready. Once you're in the new listing area, select Item for Sale. This selection is crucial because it sets the stage for entering the specific details of your product. Facebook offers various options such as vehicles or housing, but for this demo, we're focusing on general items. With that done, you'll see various fields to fill out: title, price, category, and more. Direct your focus to the section labeled More Details. Clicking on this will expand additional options for your listing, allowing you to enter further specifics about your item. Providing more information can help your item stand out. Here comes the important part: adding tags to your listing. Under the More Details area, locate the field for tags. This is where you can type in relevant keywords that align with your item. Think of tags as the search term someone might enter when looking for a product like yours. Some examples could include the brand name of your product, its condition, or any unique features it has. Tags help improve search visibility, so include those that best describe your item. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add a tag to your Facebook Marketplace listing. Remember, tagging effectively can make your items easier to discover by potential buyers, increasing your chances of closing a sale. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.